And action.
You sit right here?
Yes, please, go right ahead.
I'm a little nervous.
Just clip it right here.
That's great, thanks.
Okay. Is this thing on? Check. 1, 2. Me. All right, I think we're good.
Okay, where should I look? Okay, this camera here? Perfect.
Okay, so who's asking the questions?
Right here, sir.
Okay, hold on.
I think this is my better side.
Okay, I'm ready.
Boomer, you ready to get started?
Think I'm ready.
Let's start with your thoughts on the importance of the Mo State story.
Okay, Bears, over the next year, you're going to experience so many exciting new things.
You'll learn the fight song.
And we definitely wear bear wear on Fridays.
You'll make lifelong friends.
You'll take a gazillion photos with the PSU Bear.
And post all of them.
So here's the thing about your college experience. You don't know the whole story when it begins.
You don't know what your favorite Missouri State tradition will be. It may be Fountain Day, homecoming football game. For me, it's a bit of a toss-up.
You don't know what you will accomplish.
You don't know which moments that you'll remember forever.
So put yourself out there, go to all the Week of Welcome events, and get involved.
And then go to class. That's kind of important.
Find a mentor, and this will change your whole academic experience.
So don't be afraid to ask for help.
Follow your passions and you will find your people. I sure did.
And make it your story. Go Bears!